Hey there, lovely ladies, it's Eva. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be using mainly product from Moyra. On my nails, I do have a OPI polish. This is from a monthly subscription I received from Crystal Box. If you want to place an order, you can get 10% off. Just use my discount code. I will list it in the description box below. And on my nails right now, I have actually 3 coats of that. And I've got the liquid latex barrier on, and we're going to go ahead and get to stamping. The stamping plate I'm using is stamping plate 15. It's the Lovelace plate, and I am using the magic foil from Moyra. Also, this is a polish that they use specifically for stamping. So the color I have here is black. What we're going to do is stamp the image onto my nail and then take the foil and press it down, and it adheres to it right away, so you don't need any like foil glue. This already does the trick for it. So let's go ahead and get this started. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. Smash that bell button, and you'll be notified each time I release a video. All right. I did buy most of these products through Protect Solutions. I believe that is the name of the seller. But you may be able to find some of the stuff on Amazon. I will try to look it up for you. And if there is a link, I will include it in the description box below. But this is the final mani. I think it's beautiful. The yellow's coming off a little neon. Now, without a top coat, it dries more of a matte finish. And if you put a top coat on it, if you want a glossy one, you will definitely have the shine through come out pretty nicely. I don't have any top coat on this right now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it for the day or two or change it up for another nail design. So here you go. Let me know what you guys think in the description box below. If you want me to do another design, please put in your request in the comment section below, and hope you have a blessed day. Take care. Bye.